Hello friends, welcome to a new video. Today, I'm going to show you how to make the most delicious soy milk ever. It's super simple, nutritious, and delicious, perfect to include in your breakfasts, recipes, and an amazing alternative to cow's milk. This is Nutrientelligence. Let's get started. To make this classic and popular plant-based milk, we need soybeans. Today, I'm using 500 grams. If possible, try to buy organic, eco-friendly soybeans free of pesticides. I got mine for $1.60 per 500 grams. Alright, the first step is to soak them in water. We need to hydrate the beans, or activate them, for about 3 hours. It's ideal to soak them overnight so they're ready to prepare in the morning. This will make it easier for your body to absorb the nutrients. You'll notice they double in size. Once hydrated, rinse them well, about 3 times. Then, we're going to blend them. I'm using a hand blender. Gradually add the beans, making sure the water covers them. Blend until all the beans are broken down. Pour it into a large pot and repeat this process with all the beans. This will help them cook better and bring out more flavor. Add the soy, cover with water, and blend. If you see foam, that's normal for soybeans. Pour it into the pot, add more soybeans, cover with water, blend, and add it to the pot. Repeat until you've blended all the beans, then fill the pot with more water and stir with a ladle. To give this soy milk some flavor, I'll share our secret with you. We're using orange peels and cinnamon. Both give it a unique touch that sometimes you just need. You can also add cloves if you like. Add these to the pot and stir. Turn on the burner to low heat. As it heats up, keep a close eye on it so it doesn't boil over. Don't cover the pot. You'll see foam rising. Skim it off as it appears. Keep the pot uncovered and the heat controlled to prevent spilling. Stir constantly to avoid burning the bottom. When there's no more foam and it has come to a boil, it's ready. Soaking the beans beforehand speeds up the cooking, so we don't need to boil it for hours. At this point, the aroma is wonderful, soft and sweet, a mix of soy, orange, and cinnamon. It should take about 20 to 30 minutes, depending on your stove. Now, turn off the heat and let it cool completely. After about 2 hours, it should be cool. Now, strain everything to separate the pulp from the liquid. Pour the milk into a jug or container, and we have our soy milk. With 500 grams of soybeans, I got about 1.5 liters of milk, which is nice and concentrated. You can drink it right away or store it in the fridge. Remember, drinking soy milk is a good source of protein, lactose-free, keeps bones strong, and boosts the immune system. It's rich in calcium, vitamin D, and B12. It's also important to moderate your intake and vary it with other plant milks. Look how it looks the next morning. It's delicious hot or cold. I sweeten mine with Panela, a natural cane sugar. If you're wondering what to do with the soy pulp left in the strainer, you can make cookies or use it as flour in a sweet recipe. Plus, here are 2 tips that might be really helpful for you. When boiling the soy milk, you have 2 options. Make one pot with cinnamon and orange for drinking, and another with just soy for a neutral plant milk, which is perfect for recipes, both savory and sweet. Remember that soy milk flavored with cinnamon and orange lasts up to 3 days in the fridge. If you make it plain, it can last a week. It's best to drink it fresh to retain its nutrients. Here's a quick recipe for hot chocolate with soy milk. In a small pot, add 1 or 2 cups of soy milk, a few tablespoons of Panela or your favorite natural sweetener, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Heat it up, let it boil, and enjoy. If you liked this video, please support us in reaching more people by subscribing, giving it a thumbs up, and turning on the notification bell. This is Nutrientelligence. See you next time.